minute. Funny story about his mukbang. So I went to Popeye's after work. I got a $10 box. This is the funny part. I thought I was getting tenders, you know what I'm saying? I ain't think I had to say tenders, you know what I'm saying? I probably do. Stupid. Anyway, I got chicken breast. So before we get this mukbang, get this video, huge thumbs up, subscribe, and new to the channel, click that bell so you get notified when I upload. We got Popeye's, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, and we got some breast, some thighs, you know what I'm saying? Some legs, you know what I'm saying? So we finna get into this mukbang. But yeah, so I asked y'all to send me some topics. 2 people sent me topics, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. I can't complain. But yeah, so what's the first topic to talk about? Plans for DreamCon 2020. Real talk, yo. Next year, I want to collab with everybody. I don't care who it is. I want to collab with Leezy, Supreme Dreams, Leland, Desmond. Any creator that's there, whether it's well known or not, you know what I'm saying, or just local. I want to collab. I want to network more at that event. I mean, not network, but I didn't network as much as I should. I want to network. I want to vlog more, because I didn't vlog, you know what I'm saying? I was living in the moment. But next year, I'm vlogging more. I want to collab with people more. Because I was supposed to collab with Leezy, Dante, PG, Astro. Yeah, those 4. And I didn't even collab with Astro because I didn't have the skit ready. None of that. I want to collab with anybody who's down to collab next year. Maybe even King Vader, you know what I'm saying? Those really my plans for DreamCon 2020. To take a plane, cause that drive, my homeboy drive, I can't even drive, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, next topic. Let me start eating, bro. I'm tripping. I don't have Popeye's chicken in them. It's real good. How's life been going this year? Honestly, bro. Damn, I almost choked. Honestly, life's been up and down, bro. You know what I'm saying? I thought in the last video what I was dealing with. Yeah, it's just been up and down. Still at the same job I've been at. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully I find something new. We ain't gonna get into that though. But yeah, 9 to 5, you know what I'm saying? Working 9 to 5, making my money. I didn't accomplish most of the goals I said I was gonna accomplish. You know what I'm saying? And that to me, you know what I'm saying, just shows me I need to work harder because I procrastinated. I hella procrastinated this year. And look, 2019 almost over. I was like, okay, 2019 gonna be my year, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put in that work. I'm gonna grind. You know what I'm saying? I started grinding, but I started feeling depressed, you know what I'm saying? I started self-doubt on myself and looking at other people, you know what I'm saying? But DreamCon inspired me, but then after that, you know what I'm saying? I was just like, whatever. So life, you know, life just been up and down, bro. It's been some negative stuff that happened. It's been some positive stuff, you know what I'm saying? I gotta skip it to a Weezy, you know what I'm saying? I'm almost at 1K, you know what I'm saying? Negatives, I lost my Instagram page, so now I have to start over. I stopped posting for like a month or 2 months. I still haven't got my license, you know what I'm saying? If y'all didn't, you know what I'm saying? Clown me, I really don't care. I'm gonna get them. I haven't found a new job yet, you know what I'm saying? I'm working on that. Life's been it's been but these last couple of months, like September and October, I've been writing hella songs, so hopefully I can drop some songs before this year is over. Hopefully I can do some other stuff, maybe travel before this year over. If not, then hey, speaking of traveling, that's the next topic. Traveling. I need to eat, bro. I'm telling you, I ain't even eating. This is a mukbang. I'm supposed to be eating for y'all. Before I traveling, I want to go to Miami. Miami look lit, bro. Collab with Miami the Kid. That'd be a dope collab. Maybe go to Broward. Collab with Smooth Geo. Smooth Geo. Those you want to go to LA too, because a lot of YouTubers in LA. I feel like I can link up with some YouTubers and collab with them. Vaughn used me in a video. I feel like I can collab with Vaughn TV. I feel like I can collab with Dub. I remember he bought my ticket. Dub cool. Dub's a real nigga for that. Bro, I feel like I can collab with him. And whoever else. I really want to collab with DDG. It's one of my favorite YouTubers, bro. So honestly, if I go to LA and I collab with him, that'd be a big opportunity. I want to travel to Hawaii. You know what I'm saying? Little island. I want to go to Bora Bora. Future traveling though. I'm gonna probably go to LA next year for my birthday. Maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get that ready before January 25th. I want to go to Miami, like I said. That's about it, bro. Like, maybe New York too. Texas, definitely. I'm going to Texas next year again in June, so that's another traveling location. That's about it for traveling. Man, this biscuit tries the best. If y'all never had Popeye's biscuits, you know you can't eat Popeye's biscuits without no jelly. And this right here. Popeye's biscuit gets stuck in your throat. Where you gonna choking? You know what I'm saying? You can't be doing that. And I'm saying that I just put a whole biscuit in my mouth. Okay. Future videos and skits, man. I really just want to put out content. I want to keep putting out content until the year over. That's what I'm gonna do. I want to put out. Whoa, wait 1 minute, bro. I don't know. This got steroids. What the? I ain't never ever seen a big chicken like this. What is this chicken put together like? What, the chicken was working out when they had it boxing? What the hell? That's a big ass chicken. Y'all see this? I don't even eat thighs like that, but no, this ain't no. This the breast. Well, look at this, bro. I got this off of the chicken off of Looney Tunes. What the? I don't know if I'm gonna eat that, bro. This the regular size, but this, bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Where did I leave off at, bro? Oh, future skits and future videos. Videos. I just want to make bangers for y'all, bro. I want to do more vlogs. I'm gonna do more vlogs. I want to do more challenges, bro. Public interviews. I want to do that. Get out my comfort zone. I don't want to keep doing these reactions. I've been doing so many reactions. I'm not a reaction channel. I do them from time to time, but I just want to make banger videos, bro. To be honest, maybe come up with some ideas or a series for myself and see if y'all rocking with it, experiment with the channel real quick. Cause I'm almost at 1K. I lost some subscribers because I didn't post it too much, but we back on the grind, back on the road to 1K, bro. I'm hitting 1K. Hopefully before this year is over with. You know what I'm saying? I'm sticking into existence. If not, yeah, we gonna hit it mid next year. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hit it. Well, future skits. I plan to do a It's Just this season. I don't know if some of y'all seen that, but I know Vader did a season. Astro, Jay Childish, and it's basically like a comeback. And you post like maybe 6 or 7 skits. I know Vader do like 13, I think, or 9 or something like that. Some of the best skits you worked on that you made, and you post them. You work on a whole bunch of skits and make them the best skits you could ever possibly make. You do a little promo for your skits, you know what I'm saying? And you post every day with that skit, bro. So that's what I want to do. I want to come up with a season and make it like 6 or 7 skits. Something different that y'all haven't seen, you know what I'm saying? Maybe some comedy, maybe some horror, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I want to do that. I want to make some more skits. Future skits. I guess I could tell y'all a few. I got a Pokemon skit that I want to do. Probably gonna come up. Maybe a GTA skit. A 6ix9ine skit. Definitely a 6ix9ine skit. That's really all. I can't tell y'all no more, bro. It's in the works. I can't tell y'all no more. I can't. Also, bro, I started streaming. So if y'all want to watch me stream, I stream on Twitch and Mixer. Twitch and Mixer? Who the f is Mixer? I stream on Twitch and Mixer at Galaxy Gaming. Galaxy, you know what I did there, Galaxy. GALAXZAEGAMING. Description to be in the link in the description. Bro, what am I saying, bro? The link will be in the description below. Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. But yeah, basically I'm trying to stream so I can get my game channel up and running. It's on YouTube too, Galaxy Gaming, same thing. I'm streaming horror games all this week, so you know if you want to tune in, feel free. Follow me on Instagram at IAMDKZ _. That's my new Instagram because I had to make it known. Low-key, bro. Do I want to talk about that? I mean, it's a mukbang, so. All I'm going to say is, I'll post some stupid stuff, bro. And I guess somebody can report me for it. I don't know who it was, but they can report me. And one day, that bit was like IAMDKZ. One has logged out. And I had to start over. You know what I'm saying? But it's a full video to do. But yeah, everything happened for a reason. I guess it was a reason, you know what I'm saying? So, we back on the grind. I want to get more followers. And plus, I want to have more genuine followers because my other Instagram, I ain't really had that much genuine followers. There'll be people watching my story, but not, you know what I'm saying, comment on the poll or like, they'll look at my video, but not like a comment or good feedback. So like, what are you doing? Why are you following me? Do you just want to lurk on my page? You know what I'm saying? That's not it. It's really not, bro. I'm like, oh, hell no. It's out the gate. But it's freaking good. Who y'all like better, KFC or Popeye's? Let me say Popeye's. If y'all say KFC, bro, I feel like, I don't know. And y'all damn sure better not say Church's. No. Church's is nasty, bro. If Church's ever watch the video, don't sponsor me. I don't want it. Let me see what else topics y'all want me to talk about, bro. Favorite rappers in the game. Honestly, bro, y'all don't look at me stupid. For this one person I'm about to say, Jada Smith, bro, I rock with Jada Smith heavy, bro. Jada Smith been spitting since he was 14, 13, bro. And honestly, if you don't listen to him, we can't be friends. It's as simple as that. He spit on Labor VR, get a couple songs offering. Icon, George Jefferson, Passion. But yeah, I like his flow. I like the beats he be choosing sometimes, you know what I'm saying? I like his lyrics. It's just, he talented, bro. You know what I'm saying? And everybody wanna listen to him now. He came out with Icon, and he came out with Syree, I think that's what it's called. Or is it called Sire? I think it's called Sire. Yeah, since he came out with that album, everybody want to rock with him now and be like, oh, Jaden snapping. No, Jaden been snapping. You just ain't been listening to him. Another rapper, Saba, S-A-B, I think that's how you say his name. Shout out to my homeboy K, my nigga K, whatever he want to be called. Shout out to him, he put me on him. Ski Mask, he be snapping, you know what I'm saying? J. Cole, of course. I want to say Drake, but you know what I'm saying? Drake be switching it up. Drake, I mean, he rock. I mean, he singing. I'm in here coming with a little Caribbean beat or something, you know what I'm saying? So Drake, I want to say Drake like versatile, bro. Honestly. But I'ma still say Drake. What's the man name? Jordan Lucas. He be snapping. Favorite rappers? Does it mean favorite rappers in the game now, or there's a couple more. Not right now, but Lil Wayne. He be snapping. I'm gonna say he's my favorite rapper in the game right now. That's all I got right now. If I'm missing somebody, I'll put them right here. But for now, bro, that's all I got. Probably gonna be like, this stupid, bro. like, but I don't care, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. What no? Bro, so I'm opening this macaroni, bro. I think I'm finna get something good. It ain't. I didn't even get a mukbang. I mean, a mukbang? What? Bro, what are you talking about? Insert the clip. I didn't even get a thumbnail, bro. I didn't even get a. And I done ate all the chicken, bro. We just gonna have to make a thumbnail, bro. It's whatever it is. But yeah, open this. I'm thinking it's gonna be good. It tastes all watered down and stuff, watered cheese. Like, come on, you gotta do better. You got to, bro. Somebody wanted me to talk about love. I guess relationships. Bro, my take on love and relationships. Honestly, bro, I've been in so many relationships, and every one of them, you know, with me getting my heart broken. Except two. I'm not gonna count. One of them, he had some issues. I'm gonna say what happened, but trust issues, I guess, mostly covered me. But then after that, we just having them back to back, and it was just like you moving, you know what I'm saying, and we just broke up. The last relationship I've been in, that one was cause me, you know what I'm saying. And I don't know, I just feel like some of the stuff I was doing, you know what I'm saying, it wasn't what I said, and I was just like, yo, I can't keep, I don't know, I don't want to say leading on, but I really don't know what the word is for it. But I just had to end it, bro. Honestly, right now, the place I'm in, I don't think I'm ready for another relationship. That's me being the person I am and doing what I'm doing right now, as far as working wise, career wise, etc., etc. I'm not mentally, I'm not physically ready for another relationship, and that's just be 100. I know I be saying, and it is times where I be saying I want to be in a relationship, I want a girlfriend, you know what I'm saying, and I be like, dang, look at that couple, you know what I'm saying. But honestly, I'm not ready for another relationship. I'm not. But yeah, I guess my phone only record 7 minutes each time. Maybe because I'm running out of space, but like I was saying, I'm not ready for one. I'm probably gonna be single for a while. I don't know when I'm gonna get in another relationship. Maybe next year, maybe before this year. Probably not before this year. Maybe next year, maybe 2021. I don't know, honestly. But being in a relationship is a beautiful thing. Being single is a beautiful thing. You know what I'm saying? You get to find out who you are. You get to do stuff by yourself. You don't have to depend. I don't want to say depend. I guess depend on that person, or worry about, you know what I'm saying? Some people have trust issues, you know what I'm saying? You don't got to worry about, oh, what they doing, you know what I'm saying? Or yada yada. Communication. Yeah, and that's something I struggle with, communication. I struggle with that bad. So, definitely not ready for another relationship anytime soon. This mashed potato is good. That macaroni, y'all gotta throw it away. I think Chick-fil-A macaroni better. Here we go comparing Chick-fil-A and Popeye's. That's really about it, bro. Relationships, love is also a beautiful thing. Love can be great, and love can also hurt. I know myself, first love, it broke my heart. Junior, I'm a freshman, dated for 3 months. She broke up with me, said she had to focus on school. I knew that wasn't gonna last, but you know what I'm saying, it hurt me. You know what I'm saying, 'cause I was in love, that was my first love. Well, yeah, I'm definitely not ready. If you are in a relationship or you single, you know what I'm saying, you want to be in a relationship, so when that person, go for it, you know what I'm saying? Or go for him. Talk to him, talk to her. If you're struggling in a relationship, you know what I'm saying, talk to your partner. See what's going on, fix the problem, work on it, you know what I'm saying? Go to therapy, maybe go to church. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm doing good in this mukbang, bro. I haven't done a mukbang in so long, so if I sound like I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, it's because I don't. No, let me stop, I do. But I don't even know if I'm gonna eat this last chicken, bro. Honestly, like, why is it so big, bro? Like, out of all things, it had to be this one, bro. Like, you know what? That's gonna be the thumbnail of this big ass chicken, bro. Honestly, this big ass chicken finna be the thumbnail. Alright, I got a few clips. Bro, this thing is, I don't think I'm gonna eat it right now. Probably eat it later, but right now, nah, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. It ain't the move, bro. It ain't the move. Let me get all these crumbs up, please. I'm not trying to have no shit in my room or dance or anything of that sort of love. Last thing, I don't know if y'all know. Well, my new subscribers, I don't know. Probably don't watch my old videos. But I used to go to school. But your boy dropped out. Some of y'all probably don't even know that. I went to Art Institute, and yeah, I went to Art Institute for maybe, I want to say, what was this? Graduated 2016. I want to say it was 2017 maybe. I went to school for like half a semester. I studied media arts and animation. I was going to do gaming, but like they were like, you need a profile, so I was like, nah, I ain't trying to do that. That ain't me, you know what I'm saying? So I went to media arts and animation. I had like 2 classes a day. Sometimes I had 3. No, I think I had 2 most of the time. Night and day. No, day and night. That sucked, bro. Day classes, night classes. I was not with it, bro. Got out of school like 10 o'clock. It wasn't the move, bro. It wasn't the move. Anyway, I went, it was an institute, you know what I'm saying? So it was small ones, like a university, you know what I'm saying? Where everybody be diverse. I mean, it was diverse, though. I took a couple classes. I took 1 class and failed it, so the next semester I had to repeat it. And I wasn't with it because it was a different teacher, and he did things different than the other teacher I had. And I was just like, yo, I'm in this class again, yo. I thought I passed this class. The rest of the classes I passed, except that class. Every other class I passed. And it was this other class that I had. I think it was story writing or something like that, or script writing. And I should have paid attention because now me writing scripts is going to help me when I do skits and stuff. But I can learn how to do that. There's no problem. Anyway, I wasn't doing the work in that class. I was just sitting in that class. I didn't know what the hell was going on in that class. And he was like, you missed so many days. You get kicked out of the class. You're not in class no more. And I was like, damn, bro. Like, I'm tripping. But at the same time, I was sitting down in these classes and I was like, why am I doing this? And this isn't what I want to do. I thought I wanted to do that. Because my career choice changed so much, but I wanted to be a guard for the longest, so I was like, okay, this is what I want to do. But it wasn't. And I was wasting wasting time and I was wasting my time and my money. You know what I'm saying? Because that was a lot of money. So I told my mom I wanted to drop out. She's like, boy, you know, went to this school, yada yada. They was mad, you know what I'm saying? But after a while they got over it. But at the same time, it'd be family, they'd be like, oh, go back to school, you know what I'm saying? There's a whole bunch of things you can certify in. I'm just like, nah, it ain't the move. Kudos to anybody who do go to school. I mean, I went through elementary, middle school, and high school. I don't think I'm going back to college. It's just not for me. Everything I learned on my own. I learned hands-on, etc. I mean, there's so much stuff you can learn now. You can go on Google, you can go on YouTube. And the career path that I want to go in, I mean, maybe some stuff I might have to go to college for, I don't know. But most of the things like entertainment, like making videos or YouTube, you know what I'm saying, or just being an entertainer. There's so many people who've been successful and have to go to college. I don't know if King Vader went to college, but he's successful right now. Young Astro, you know what I'm saying, I think he did, I'm not sure. Who else, bro? It's some other people that did not go to college. Ugly Guy, he dropped out. I mean, he a rapper and all of that, but he dropped out and got famous. Not saying drop out of school and go be a rapper, you know what I'm saying? But if it's something that you know you don't have to go to school for, don't go, you know what I'm saying? If you don't want to go, don't feel peer pressure. And my camera's about to shut off again, so I will talk in the next clip. Okay, like I was saying, yeah. If you know you don't have to go to school for that stuff, then don't go. Honestly, bro. It's a waste of time. It's a lot of money. And don't feel peer pressure if your parents say you gotta go. If you know you don't want to do that, be a lawyer, a doctor, a dentist, none of that stuff, don't do it, bro. I mean, you probably need more of it, but if you don't want to do it, don't go for that, you know what I'm saying? Go for your passion. If you want to go in photography, I mean, I don't think you really need college for photography. I mean, you can buy a book and learn lighting and all of that on your own, you know what I'm saying? You don't really gotta go to school for that. If you want to do videography, if you want to do YouTube, look up some of the popular YouTubers, you know what I'm saying? Like PewDiePie, or you know what I'm saying? What's his name? I can't think of his name right now, but he's a popular YouTuber. It's a whole bunch of popular YouTubers, bro. You know what I'm saying? DDG, Queen, Barking ain't so many, it's a whole bunch of couples, BK4L. But if you know you don't want to go to school for that, don't go. And if you know you don't need school for that, don't go, bro. Honestly. And I was wasting my time. And after I realized sitting in the classes still wasn't what I wanted to do, I dropped out, bro. So y'all know, college dropout. Am I proud of it? Yeah. Kinda, you know what I'm saying? Kinda not, because it was a lot of people disappointed in me. But I mean, at this point, bro, it's whatever. It's their opinion, bro. I know what I did was the right decision, and I know I wanted to do that. So yeah, but if you want to be a lawyer, doctor, dentist, house owner or something like that, I mean, you probably got to go to college for that. It's no way you becoming a doctor without a diploma. They're not accepting that. No dentist. But yeah, that's the end of the mukbang, bro. Hopefully I kept y'all entertained. Answer y'all topics, you know what I'm saying? And sorry if this mukbang was a little weird and a little everywhere. I haven't done a mukbang in a while. Next time, hopefully y'all give me more topics to talk about. This lemonade busting. For this video, we're gonna try to finish this chicken though. Like, bro, what did they do? Did they put some steroids in it? Honestly, bro, I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish it, bro. Oh, one more topic. So, I don't know. Back in the day, like when I was in middle school and stuff, I used to be insecure as hell about my body. I used to be so fat, so short and bald head. I mean, your boy barely got hair now, but yeah, I had fat cheeks. I mean, my face was a little fat, not fat as it was back then, but and bro, I just used to look at other people and I used to be like, why am I fat? Like, why is my body like this? Like, I hate my body looking like this. Like, every time I go to the beach, I never take off my shirt. I keep a shirt on, tank top on, something like that. I would never take off my shirt because how insecure about my body I was, bro. And I mean, I'm still a little insecure, you know what I'm saying? But back then, I was way insecure. Like now, I take off my shirt, you know what I'm saying? I have a little stomach, but it's better than what I had back before. And I think sophomore year, I was fat. But junior year, I came back. Everybody's like, dang, you got skinny, you lost weight. I'm like, I was happy, you know what I'm saying? It was all complimenting and stuff. I felt better about myself. I love myself more, you know what I'm saying? And that was something I struggled with. The way I look, the way my body looked, you know what I'm saying? Now I have more confidence. Back then, I didn't have that much confidence. I rarely talked to girls. I was afraid of rejection, all that good stuff. But getting to the point, my body, I'm getting a little fat, so I want to start working out. I'm going to start working out. I'm going to start eating better. If any of my subscribers, you know what I'm saying, my supporters want to help me out, post some links in the comment section or send them to my Instagram or something like that, or some good eating habits or some good meal plans or some good exercises, you know what I'm saying, and help people out because I'm trying to get fit. Your boy want a 4-pack. I ain't selling it for no 2-pack, and damn, ain't trying to go for no 6-pack. That's out the gate. 4-pack, I settle for a 4-pack. I mean, you're not supposed to settle. That's what they say, and I hate settling for stuff. But I will settle for a 4-pack, honestly. I gotta start eating better. I know these bad eating habits. I'm eating chicken from Popeye's fast food. I be eating too much fast food, bro, and I gotta stop, bro. God forbid me, bro. I ain't trying to be in nobody's hospital. None of that, bro. I want to lose this fat. I want to eat better. My body feels better. You know what I'm saying? So I feel more energized. They say you are what you eat. And I guess you feel whatever you eat. So, you know what I'm saying? You might eat some junk food. You're going to feel tired. You're going to feel lazy. You eat some fruit. You're energetic. You know what I'm saying? You want to move. You awake. And that's what I want, bro. I want to eat more fruits and vegetables. I just want to eat better, period. So if y'all know, send me boy some tips, because this ain't it. And I'm definitely not finna keep eating checkers, bro. That's out the gate, too. Definitely bad. But yeah, that's the end of the mukbang. If you enjoyed the video, please give the video a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. And click that bell so you know if I'm about to upload. I'll post my game channel link in the description below. I will be going live 8 o'clock today. Why is this chicken so big, bro? But yeah, we'll be going live 8 o'clock. And catch you on the next video. I don't know when that is. Next week I will be filming a new intro. So if y'all see or ask for the intro, ain't no intro. The intro will be filmed next Friday. So next Friday I'll reveal a new intro. So the project's going to be a construction site. Got that idea from Dante, because my YouTube is under construction. Shout out Dante. I'm probably not going to watch this, but shout out to Daryl for sending me the questions. Talk this. Oh my, I cannot talk, bro. I'm done with this chicken. I'm not eating. Shout out to Daryl. I'll put his Instagram right there. And shout out to Maya.